Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you're all doing well. I am back to share with you some diamond paintings that were sent to me by Spell Queen for review. They had asked me to review their custom name diamond paintings. So let's open up what they sent me, because they sent me an extra one here. Super excited. Looks like they sent me a Christmas present. So of course it comes in the canvas bag, which is really awesome. It's a nice big one. And they sent me one kit, which is fine. I do not need any more kits. The awesome big tray. This one's clear. The other ones that I have are white, and it's labeled the Spell Queen logo on it. These are awesome. They did send the little storage container, which I do like these to put my extra special drills. I keep them stored in there. We do have a pink squishy, a clear sparkle pen with a single placer, and the skinny 4-placer. These are my favorite, the skinny 4-placers. They did send branded pink tweezers. They are the stabby ones, but these are the ones that I love. They're dangerous. And then they're branded wax caddy, just a little one here, but it has 1, 2, 3 round pieces of wax in there, which is awesome. I pretty much have one of these in every area that I diamond paint in. Any little caddy to keep the wax. It's pretty nice. All right, so kits are still awesome. I will save the name. I already peeked. I know I'm bad. I'll save the name one for last. We'll do this little special gift that they sent me. Look at the colors. The drills are just so awesome. I've never had any issues with quality. And look at their little stickers they're using. This one is a Christmas one with a reindeer. Oh. Maybe I should take it off the other way. Super sticky. I already had it off once. Now I messed it up. But it's good to keep it on the plastic anyways. There we go. So that you know which side of the plastic is the side that you want to keep up. Because if you flip your plastic and you stick it back on your diamond painting, you know you're gonna have problems. This one is super cute. I think I did see this one in their, in either one of the emails or on Instagram. There's my little missing my tool here. It's been a while since I've done a video, guys, and we are in winter, which is super static mode here in Ontario because we've got the heat going. There we go. Alright, this one is so cute. It's going to be an adorable little Christmas painting. So I wonder if you guys can see, it is a dragon. So here's his head and his body and his tail. There's a star at the end of his tail. I believe there are little critters around him. They look like maybe little elves. These little red spots. The image is probably a little small for the detail on those guys to come through, but the idea of it is super cute. Let's see if you guys can see the tiny little thumbnail. And it's a 30 by 60. So let me get my measuring tape here. We have 30 by 60. Super awesome that they are true to size. This has 32 colors. It's so cute. The canvas is so sparkly. I love that when they upgraded the quality of their canvases. They're one of my favorites because it's the soft canvas with the scalloped and singed edges, so there's no fraying. Has the same code that's on the canvas, so it matches, and the size 30 by 60, and each of them are labeled 1 through 26, or sorry, 32. I don't want to open it because I don't want to make a mess of it, but you guys can see the beautiful bright colors, lots of greens, blues. There's some beautiful turquoises in there. It is going to be so, so cute. So thank you very much, Spell Queen, for the extra little treat. That was very nice. I'm going to roll my drills up in the middle, and I'm actually going to use one of the elastics just to keep that together. And then this one, as you can see, these gorgeous colors. This one, the bags are numbered. There's the SKU, and it's a 30 by 90. I did pick a bigger size for this one. This one is a square, the other one was round. They gave me some options. So this is their custom name canvases. So you tell them what name you want and you send them the image. So what I did, because I don't have amazing photography skills, I went onto Pixabay and I chose an image off of Pixabay that is royalty free. So you can use it for your own personal use. And I sent that to them to have this diamond painting made out of it. Now the image that I picked, I will insert it if I can. I'm sure I can, but I will insert it for you. It is a picture of graffiti on a building, and it is a woman's face, which I'm sure you can see, and she is taking a picture. So the camera is in front of her one eye. And it is lots of pinks and purples and blues. I just thought it was a really, really cool image. And because I was getting a diamond painting with my name on it, I wanted to get something that kind of went with a creative, like to put it up in my craft room when it's done. Just to show my creative side. And that's why I chose this woman taking a picture with the camera. I love cameras, and it kind of looks almost like a vintage camera. So here is the other side. And it goes from pinks and purples over to blues. You know, it's kind of hard to see that. But this is the other side of the camera. So the camera itself is pretty big too. So I will insert a picture of the actual image itself so you can see. And there is, it's not a wrinkle, but it's just from when it was rolled up. There is a crease. And I'm gonna try. This is really hard with the static. Might have to try and iron that one out or flatten it with books, because you can see it's pretty deep. It doesn't affect the canvas, but you want to make sure it's flat before you start your diamond painting for your drills to lay flat. So I definitely will want to put that one under books, or I won't be starting it before Christmas. Maybe I'll work on the dragon first, since it is a Christmas image. Let me flip it over so you can see. If the adhesive is on there and it's not stuck together, it just needs to be flattened out. If anything, probably ironed before I get started on it. So the drills go over the entire area. Where you see the white, it will be covered with white drills. So it will spell out my name, but you will also be able to see the image of the woman's face with the camera. I think it's going to be really awesome. So again, let's just quickly check. It is 30. I believe the other option they had sent me, because they sent me two. When you send it to them, they will send you back an email. Yeah, 30 by 90. They'll send you back an email with rendering of what it will look like so that you can choose what size you want to get. So you can see her face in there better. So you choose the size. The 30 by 60 wasn't bad. I just thought that the 30 by 90 was a little bit less pixelated. And actually, I'll try and do a screenshot too of the two of them to show you the difference on the renderings that they sent me. But I definitely recommend it if you want a personalized gift to give to somebody, or just a personalized image for yourself. You can do different words. Doesn't have to be your name. Of course, this is just what I thought to do. I do like how her eye ended up being in one of the letters, and her lips and nose there, and then the lens of the camera. You can definitely work out that it is a camera. So I think it's going to be really cool. Very, very interesting. And excited to get working on that. So don't forget, down below I will have the links. I am an affiliate of Spell Queen, so there is an affiliate link for you. I do make a small commission on your purchases, and new customers to them do receive a 10% discount on your purchase. Check them out. They did just release some new images too that were pretty cute, and they do have these custom ones. I believe they have the surprise diamond paintings, or can't remember what they're called right now. They do have AB drill paintings with AB drills, which are very nice too. So check them out. Please leave a comment and subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.